Moving average, MA, is one of the most common instruments used by the traders for determining the direction of the market trends. But MA shows you only a single value of the current time, which works as a dynamic pivot line of the market trend. MA histogram does a little extra for the traders than the MA does. Instead of plotting a single value, the indicator shows a price range that works as a dynamic stop level of the current market trend. MA histogram is a key indicator for determining the market trend as correctly as possible. It suits all sorts of timeframe charts and can be applied to trade all kinds of forex currency pairs available in the financial markets. FX Glow MA histogram is a free MT4, MetaTrader 4, indicator that provides high-quality trend signals for any currency pair of your preference. The indicator appears in a separate chart window in the form of blue and magenta-colored histogram bars. Buy and sell signal. A blue histogram bar is a buy signal. A magenta histogram bar is a sell signal. Reverse the open trade whenever an opposite histogram bar gets displayed on the chart. For scalping and day trading, the indicator performs best during the London and New York trading sessions. The indicator works equally well on all currency pairs, majors, minors and exotic, and shows promising results if used correctly. Forex moving average strength histogram MT4 indicator displays MA, MACD and stochastic in histogram form. Signals are easy to follow. Trading signals. Buy signal, when the first green candle goes above zero line. Sell signal, when the first red candle goes below zero line. Recommended, use in conjunction with other technical analysis tools. Indicator preferences. Currency pairs, all major pairs. Preferred time frames, M30, 1H, 4H. Sessions, any. The MA histogram scalping strategy for MT4 is used for the short-term markets in forex. This trading system is very simple to use and the choice of indicators are optimal. However, there are quite a few indicators that come with the original trading system. But due to the fact that some of these indicators do not work with the latest build of the MT4 trading terminal, we are left with just 4 indicators that make up the MA histogram scalping strategy. The first indicator used in the MA histogram scalping strategy is the any candle indicator. We do not quite know the use of this indicator in this trading system and the context. The any candle indicator simply plots the candlestick from any time frame of your choice. This means that if you are trading on the 15-minute chart, then you can set the any candle indicator to plot the candlestick from one of the higher time frame charts. While in some ways the any candle indicator can show how the candlestick on the higher time frame is evolving, it does not quite add value within the context of the current time frame that you are using. Therefore, we could recommend that traders can get rid of this indicator as it does not bring much value or information to the trading rules. The next indicator on the price chart is called the target bands indicator. The target bands indicator behaves similar to a price channel indicator. In some ways it resembles the moving average envelope indicator. There are 3 lines which are colored as blue, yellow and pink. The blue and pink lines form the borders for the upper and lower channels, and the yellow line is basically the midline of the channel. The target bands indicator uses a moving average setting of 50. In the sub-window of the MA histogram scalping strategy, we have a custom indicator called the Bressert Scalping Improved Oscillator. This oscillator moves along fixed values. It plots pink or blue dots on the price chart. Upon closer observation, we find that the sensitivity for this oscillator is very small. As a result, most of the times when this oscillator moves out from the overbought or the oversold levels, it does not coincide with the market movement either. Therefore, traders should be cautious when reading the signals from this indicator. In the second sub-window of the MA histogram scalping strategy, we have the MA histogram indicator. This indicator simply plots the direction or the trend of the prices. This means that, when the market is moving up, the MA histogram indicator turns blue. Conversely, when the market is moving down, the MA histogram indicator will start to plot pink bars. A combination of these indicators is what makes up the MA histogram scalping strategy. Let's now take a look at how you can trade long and short positions using this trading system. The MA histogram scalping strategy for MT4 is used for the short-term markets in forex. This trading system